Today, I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt in under 2 seconds. Start by taking a short sleeve shirt and lying it out on its back. Then we need to draw an imaginary line halfway between the top and the bottom of the shirt, roughly here, and another one halfway between the centre line of the shirt and the outside edge, about here. We'll call the point where the lines cross A, the top point B, and the bottom point C. Start by pinching the shirt at point A with your left hand, pick up point B with your right hand, then cross your right hand over to pick up point C. Next, quickly unfold your arms, and finally use the table to fold the shirt back on itself. This method works with any short sleeve top, from t-shirts, polo tops and shirts, and with a bit of practice can be done very quickly. If you like this video, maybe you'd like to take a look at some of my others by clicking on the links on the right hand side, or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Thanks for watching.